We got some snow last night. We got some big snow last night. We got a big old storm. We got I'm not sure what we got actually. It's looking like 8 inches on this thing. Check that out. That's probably 8-9 inches. It's a lot. Ton of snow actually. You guys can look all around. You can see when it gets up in the trees like that. Get up in these trees. It makes for just such awesome landscape. Trucks are socked in. Stick your windshield wipers up. Stops you from peeling off your rubbers. We got hammered last night. Man, it's beautiful out here though. Beautiful. Which is great. So you guys have been watching the shop series, and actually the shop, getting to that part you guys haven't seen yet this weekend. And this is part of trying to do YouTube while living off grid. But this weekend I ran the generator for 2 hours to try and upload one 10-minute video, and it got all the way to the very end and stopped. So did not upload to YouTube. 2 hours for a 10-minute video. It's tough stuff. So you guys just didn't get to see it. I said, well, that's it. It's my effort for the day. I'm not doing it anymore. It's a lot of fuel wasted, a lot of time wasted, but it's part of it at times. And I don't know why it took so long. Normally it doesn't take that long, but we're gonna get the truck cleaned off and get the truck started up. It's not very cold out, but it was a ton of snow, and none of this was here last night. It was just starting to fall, so this all came overnight. It all just came overnight, which is kind of weird. It's a lot. And all the schools are closed down. The local schools are closed down today, which means there's no basketball today, which means we could just remove snow all day long. It'll take a while too. It'll take a while. This stuff does take quite a bit. Takes quite a bit to remove all this stuff, to get the road squared away. And then what we have to do is make trails to everything. The animals, the outhouse, the chicken coop, the driveway. We gotta make walkways everywhere, and then you gotta maintain the walkways. And as you start doing it, the walkways, if the snow continues to fall, the walkways get deeper and deeper and deeper, and then the next thing you know, you're walking in like this little 3-foot, 4-foot alleyway. It's pretty funny. It's good times. They make a tool for this, but when you got arms that are 4 feet long, you just take it all out. Guess I left my window down a little. Hey, pig! What are you doing? It's breakfast time. So after I put you guys down, I'll be feeding them, doing a little bit of snow removal. Then I'll be grabbing my coffee and heading up the road, and I'll show you guys what I do with the road today. Since we don't have the tractor, since we don't have a snow plow, at least we'll see if it'll work today. 8 inches is gonna be the most amount of snow I've ever tried to remove at one time from this place, so we'll see. Could be a snow-in day. Might be one of those times where we just get trapped in here because the road's too bad or can't get out. It's happened before, but we're prepared for it. We're prepared to be stuck in here for a long period of time. Just part of one of those things, you know, living out here. You get too much snow, you get stuck. Hey, hey, hey. Clearly I'm recording. It's just one of those things. You know, you get too much snow out here. You might have to stay put for a while, so you need to be prepared for it. The alternative is walk out of here and then rely on somebody else. You know, walk in and out. Better to be prepared. All right, guys. So I'm going to take you guys along with me, and I'll just kind of show you what it takes to remove this kind of snow out of here today. So it's going to be a snow removal day, but I'll show you guys everything we're going to do, and I'll put it out again today. There'll be a second video out today, so make sure you guys check that one out as well. Show you what it takes to live off grid in the north.